Year 5 warm-ups. Okay then, welcome back Year 5, warm-up 30. You've got 5 problems to solve. It shouldn't take you longer than 90 seconds. I want you to do them all in your heads. Alright, you've got all the skills you need now to be able to solve all of those mentally. Alright, and we're going to go through them then anyway. So pause the screen now, press play when you want to go through the answers. Okay, so for this first one, 28 add 35, how I did it, and I'll put some stuff down on paper just so you can see what I put into my head, okay? So I put the bigger number in my head first, 35. I added on 20, and I'm up to 55. So I keep that number in my head. And then I add on the 8, remaining from the 28, and I'm up to 63. So that's my answer there. For the next one, 43 take away 16. Remember, I always say what do we add to the smaller number to get up to the larger number. So I would have just added on in frog jumps from 16 up to 43. So how I did it was I added on 20 to get up to 36. And then I added on 7. So altogether I've added on 27. Add together the answers of 4 times 7 and 5 times 6. So I need to work out those multiplication sums. So I've got 28 here. And 5 times 6 is 30. And if I add those up together, I get 58. Half of 134. So if you weren't sure how to do it, you could have partitioned 134. Now, I think the easiest way, if you're going to partition, is keep your tens and your units together, like that. So what's half of 100 is 50. What's half of 34? 17. Add those two answers together, and I get 67. So that's my answer there. And then double 97. Well, in my head, you could have, or in your head, you could have doubled 90 to get 180. Double 7 to get 14, and then add the two answers together, and you get 194. Okay, so well done if you got 5 out of 5. What you need to do now is find less than 30. See you in a bit.